Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this introduction video about deployment. So in the previous videos, we have been focusing on mainly on the code aspect and the testing aspect of software development. Now, in the upcoming videos, we're more going to take a look at the build phase, right? So making a build or production ready version of your React app is actually quite simple if you're using Create React App, but we're going to take a look to what is actually happening under the hood in that build process. And then we're also going to take a look at the, you could say, release and deploy part of the cycle, where we are essentially going to automate the build, test, and deployment process in an automated fashion, right? So we're going to use a CICD pipeline for that. CI stands for continuous integration. CD stands for either continuous deployment or continuous delivery, but you will learn all about that in the upcoming videos. And as you can see, this cycle also says Devops. Maybe I've heard about it before, but Devops is essentially a set of practices that combines dev, so development, in ops, which stands for operations. So often, especially if you will join like larger companies, there's people dedicated, that are, like the DevOps engineers. They focus really on essentially doing a lot of the things we will learn in the upcoming videos. So this is, a little bit different from, front-end development, you could say, what we've essentially done in the previous videos. But I think it's a very, important skill to have as a developer, so you have at least a bit of an understanding how things are working. And you can also actually deploy your React application so people can visit your app and actually use it. So I think that's a very useful skill to have. So yeah, I think that's that. Let's jump right into it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.